Hey, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Told you we're going to be changing some things over in my home theater setup, or slash this is my living room. Tell you the truth, my home theater living room. And this is my projection screen setup. Now, before I had a 178-inch 235.1. Now I have a panorama screen set up. I don't have the quite measurements on the screen. I do know it is 64 inches high and about 113 inches and wide. Now keep in mind, this is my screen right here using the same blackout cloth that we use when we get to for the TI-47 or for the Ultra 4K. Once done, actually this is all done already, I'm going to be coating this over with this particular sample right here, this same color sample I'm using right here. This whole entire screen will become. Now keep in mind, this right here is our new ECLIPSE Invisible Black Silver Nano. This is our new spray on Invisible Nano kit. It will be available in 2 quarts, 1 gallon, and 2 gallons. And I'm going to show you exactly how advanced the technology is. Not only that, I'm going to show you, for those of you that are still using white projection screens for either home or for your business, on exactly how much picture quality you're losing. As I said before, there's no point in you going out and spending the money for a very high power projector, even a good projector, if you're just going to cheat yourself on the screen. Now keep in mind, my projector is sitting back around 14 feet. We're going to be using my ViewSonic long throw projector. Keep in mind, this projector is a full 1080p projector. Even at full 1080p, I'm going to show you exactly how much picture quality you're losing, and also show you the advancement of the dark silver. Alright, so first things first, we're going to be showing off a color demonstration to show you exactly how much color you're losing from your projector by using a white screen, and also show you the advancements of the technology on this new black silver. Here we are, lights on. Now we're going to go back for those of you that are curious to see this with the lights out, because you're probably thinking, look, with the lights out, my screen looks absolutely fantastic in 1080p. Show you how much picture quality you're losing in your color. You see how much deeper the color is, how much beautiful the color is. You get better blacks, you get better, more depth to your picture. Okay, now we're going to get something with some deep blues in it. Just to show you the advancement that you're losing. Look at the color on that black silver nano compared to the white screen. Alright, now this is with lights out. Now we're going to turn the lights back on again and show you what you're getting with the lights on. Now keep in mind, I can use my screen in a fully lit environment. The reason why you see a lot of these screens, I hear these white projection screens, one of the problems that they have with their technology is the fact that you will have to use this in a dark environment. You will have to have all your lights on. Any kind of sunlight, any kind of ambient light from outside that hits this screen, it will completely wash out. Now I will not do this, actually I will not finish the screen tomorrow. Actually we'll have it finished tomorrow, but I'm going to have it in the daytime hours because I want you to see even with the light coming in. The reason why a lot of people have white projection screens, a very light screen, like silver screens. Now keep in mind, our silver nano screens look incredible with the lights on or off. But a lot of these screens out here that are so-called silver screens or light gray screens, one of the problems they have is with ambient light, and they will fade and wash out. Even if you're using a high-powered projector, you're just not getting your projector's performance. You're just cheating yourself. And look at this. Alright, so let's go over here and let's grab another demonstration really quick. Right here. Now we're going to turn the lights out to give the white screen a chance. Just show you what you're getting. Alright, the lights back on. And as you can see with the black silver, the black isn't too overpowering. It looks absolutely fantastic. I cannot wait to finish painting this entire screen just like this. It is going to look incredible. Now the black silver nano will be available on the 26th. Like I said, it will be available in 2 quarts. It'll be available in the 1 gallon and 2 gallon containers. And it will come with a free Wagner paint sprayer. Let's grab another one. We'll grab another one. Look at that, 14 feet back. And that screen is just absorbing all the technology of this projector and just showing you exactly the performance of what your projector can be. See, with the lights out, you really think you're getting true blacks, and you're not. You're getting a form of ashy gray. That's my battery dying. And one more. Turn my lights on, because I can have my screen on with all my lights on. I don't have to worry about I can have my projector on with my lights on, I don't have to worry about my screen washing down or fading on me. Okay, well, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Our new invisible black silver nano will be available on the 26th of this month. I'd like to thank you all for watching.